Ka-Wais. Welcome to your ultimate guide to saving electricity during the humid summer season. In just 1 minute, I'll share simple tricks to lower your electricity bill and keep your home cool and comfortable. This is the easiest way for you to slash your electricity costs while staying cool this summer. Summer's humidity can make your energy bills soar as you rely on air conditioning to beat the heat. But fear not, we have smart solutions to help you save those hard-earned pesos. First, optimize your AC usage. Set your thermostat to 24 to 26 degrees Celsius, 75 to 79 degrees Fahrenheit, for the perfect balance of comfort and energy efficiency. Next, use ceiling fans and portable fans to circulate cool air. They consume way less electricity than AC and can make you feel 8 degrees cooler. Create natural shade by using curtains or blinds to block the sun during the hottest hours. Embrace natural light instead of relying on electric lights during the day. Regularly clean AC filters, as clogged filters make your unit work harder and use more energy. And finally, unplug appliances and chargers when not in use. Even when idle, they consume phantom energy that adds up over time. Remember, implementing these small changes can make a big impact on your electricity bill. Stay cool, Ka-Wais, and save those pesos for something you truly love.